Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Let's head to Europe, shall we? And Jamaica's Reggae Boyz' first game on Saturday at the four-team tournament against Ghana in Austria has been cancelled due to the late arrival of the African team to the European continent. And the Ghanaians are expected to arrive on Saturday afternoon at Jamaica time. The tournament organizers offered the chance for the Reggae Boyz to play the match on Sunday, but that was declined by the technical staff, who felt it was too close to Tuesday's match against Morocco. The Jamaicans will play World Cup hosts Qatar next Friday to close out the tour. Cricket. Now, the West Indies will commence the ICC Men's Future Tours program for the period 2023 through to 2027 with a full home series against India in July and August 2023, followed by a white ball tour by England in December 2023. Now, these form part of over 150 international matches that the West Indies will play home and away within the new Future Tours program. The West Indies will play India in 2 test matches as part of the first home fixture in the new 2025 World Test Championship. India will also play 3 one-day internationals and 5 T20s. England will return to the West Indies in late 2023 for an 8-match white ball series with 3 ODIs and 5 T20s, with a second white ball tour of the Caribbean in 2024. The new Future Tours program features an ICC World Tournament every year, including the ICC T20 World Cup for the West Indies and the USA in 2024 and two World Test Championships. The West Indies will be playing India, South Africa and Bangladesh at home, and Australia, England and Pakistan away as part of the 2023 through to 2025 World Test Championship. Now, the West Indies will be looking to close out their 3-match ODI series against New Zealand at the Kensington Oval in Barbados this afternoon, when the teams square off in Game 2 starting at 1 p.m. The Windies took a 1-0 lead with a 5-wicket win in Wednesday's opener, where they were led to victory by a half-century from Barbadian Shamar Brooks. The Kiwis have never won an ODI series in the Caribbean, and Brooks is hoping the Caribbean team can carry over Game 1's performance into today's match.
Doing much different. I think we've just been looking to improve as a team as we go on. When we look at our last ODI series against India, the batting performances of getting 300 plus in back-to-back games, and even though we lost the games, I mean, that is good for a team like us that are no building and getting ready for the World Cup next year. So I mean, to come here and win the first game against the Kiwis, in, as I said, in difficult conditions, I mean, it's a plus.
And a quick trek over to the NACAC Championships being held, where Christopher Taylor and Nathan Allen, well, they advanced to the men's 400-meter final after winning their respective heats earlier today. Stephanie McPherson and Janelle Brumfield also won the women's 400-meter. Well, they were second in their 400-meter heats to also make Saturday's final. 8 finals are scheduled for today. And guess what? That's it for your lunchtime sports. And I am Jeremy Brown.